It's the middle of November, and it's 36 degrees outside. And here I am working on the boat. It's cold, but it's doable. Got the heater running, and hopefully it'll be up into the mid 40s or so here inside the boat in not too long. More wiring work in progress. This cluster definitely needs to be cleaned up and removed. Fun winter projects. This is the wire that will supply power to a bus that will then be used to provide power to both the Raymarine and the Garmin instruments that we're going to be installing up on deck here in the coming weeks. So step 1 or 2 of another project. Well, it's December 25th, 2021, Christmas Day, and the rest of the family's off at a football game, and here I am down at the boat working on another project. Happy Christmas. So today's project is replacing this starting to rust bus with a new, more substantial and a little more easily accessible bus, one of these styles of buses, so it's easier to access and work with the lines going each way. I've inserted a small piece of plywood in here as the attachment base for the bus bar, and also I'm going to today be installing the Raymarine ITC5 as the junction box for the wind and depth transducers. So that's the next project this morning. This is the ITC5 from Raymarine. We use it to connect the analog transducers to the digital displays. used it on the other boat. Works really well. So I'll be installing that next. And then I'll need to run power to it from the instrument panel, and that's my next project. All installed, ready to be hooked up. The last time I did this on the other boat, I actually attached this a piece of plywood to the starboard side water tank with Velcro. So it could be removed if necessary, and it wasn't actually drilled into the water tank, which obviously would be stupid. But in this case, I think I'm just going to leave this unattached. It'll have enough weight, I think, to keep it from moving around too much, particularly when all the wires are hooked up and everything. So right now it should be set to go. I just got to run power to the ITC5 and connect it up. Work in progress. Many projects underway, or bits and pieces of them ready to be worked on, weather depending. It's actually a pretty nice day out today. It's 26th of December, and it is in the upper 30s outside. With the heater going in here, got it up to 41 degrees, so and it's only been on for about a half hour or so. So hopefully I can get it a few more degrees warmer, keep warm while I'm working on these inside projects. There's the next bus, and I'll hook up the power to that, and we can use that as a bus for the power to the Raymarine and Garmin instruments. Well, it's January 13th, and it's about 30 degrees outside, and back working on the boat. More wiring projects. Had to do some more wiring work back here in the behind the instrument panel to put in the Vesper antenna splitter. That's installed now and starting to run the wiring. I will have to redo the location for the bus for the mast lights, but that's just an adjustment of moving it a little bit. Someday, this boat might actually make it into the water. Thanks for watching and following along. Hopefully we'll be back in the water soon, and we'll have more sailing adventures. Please remember to hit subscribe and hit the like button. It all helps out. Thanks. It's warming up in here a little bit. It's up to 44 on the heater, but still pretty cool in here. But onward and upward.